Because when you are able to manage your emotions, then you are able to also go along with the situation and take situations in a better way. Now, quickly, let's have a list of various emotions that we experience. Anger. First thing. Joy. Thank you. Jealousy. Love. Jealousy. Sorrow. Yes. Fear. Hurt. Yes. Frustration. Yes. Hatred. Yes. Dislike. Yeah. What else?
Guilt.
Huh? Guilt. Remorse. Regret. Jealousy. Yes. Then anticipation. Yeah.
Love.
Love. Yeah. Love.
Caring feeling.
Yeah. Fear.
Anxiety.
Yeah. Anxiety. Insecurity. Apprehension. So many dimensions. There are shades. And I think we human beings are very lucky to be able to enjoy so many shades of emotion. Like animals also have emotions. Do they have?
Yes.
Definitely they have. Huh?
They have love.
Love, they have anger, they have fear. Yes. But these are purely survival. You know, those emotions which help them to survive. But human beings are much more than that. And so in that way we are very lucky. So it makes life more colorful. Otherwise we'll be like robots, you know, every day same feeling, no feeling or whatever it is. Only thing is, like we said, कभी-कभी बहुत ज़्यादा जब हो जाते हैं emotions, so it can create a lot of problems. We can break under that. So now where do these feelings come from? From the from the amygdala. Yeah. Okay. Everybody gets angry? Anybody who doesn't get angry?
Two opposites.
It's fine in life, one must get angry.
Yes. Do we need anger?
Yeah.
Yes. We do need anger.
She said it.
The simplest example is today we are a free country. It's because some people were angry that the British were ruling over us and they fought. If they were like chalta hai, then we are basically any change to come, any positive change.
No improvement.
There will be no improvement.
Don't get angry over a
Yeah, I get angry. I have experienced angry. Dr. Surita, you know one day what happened? I had and another locum doctor also had come, and we were just introducing each other. Naturally, that noise entered her room. She came out. If you all are talking here like this, then I can't do my work.
That's the maximum anger.
Who's my point?
But then you're quieted down, no? After that.
Message sent across.
Message.
Yes.
Yeah. For children also, we show anger even if sometimes they are not angry, फिर भी दिखाते हैं because that's the only way the message reaches them, isn't it? Like many bosses will do that to their subordinates. कि अरे सुनता नहीं तो I have to show anger. So anger is most natural. It is going to be there. In fact, any emotion if you go to see, even something like jealousy or fear, if you don't have that, maybe some aspect of life would be incomplete. Yeah. And no emotion is bad in itself. If you go to see, every emotion has some positive intent behind it. Like if I'm angry, it is because either I feel that I've been taken advantage of, or somebody is not doing the things in a way I want it to be. So many reasons are there, or I feel insulted. Huh?
You want betterment.
I want something better. So there is a positive intention behind it. Yeah. Can there be a positive intention behind jealousy?
Yes.
Yes.
Because then you will try better.
The intent is I want something that the other person has got. Okay. Now how I channelize that emotion it can be appropriate or inappropriate. If I try to pull that person down, then I would call it unhealthy or inappropriate, isn't it? So the expression could be appropriate or inappropriate, but no emotion is negative in itself. So that brings us again to that same point that we need to accept our emotions irrespective of what they are, because they are not bad in that sense. So whatever you feel, sometimes I may be feeling tense about something, or anxious about something, or angry about someone. If I accept it, I feel better. Now many teenagers come to us for counseling at our center, and that is the age, as we all know, we go through a lot of turmoil. and we have lot of fights with our parents. How many of you have teenagers at home? Two. Okay, yes. So झगड़ा होता है घर में. Yeah. Suddenly the children who were very nice, sweet and सुनते थे अभी now they have become so sometimes you might wonder कितना गुस्सा है मेरे बारे में उनको. Yeah. But why is there anger towards you? Why do they get angry with the parents?
Because there is a generation gap.
You are like an authority.
If you say no,
Children want to.
They want friends.
Parents should accept. They feel parents should accept their views and not impose parents' views on them. They want freedom.
I think they suddenly learned about their strengths they suddenly changed at that point of time. So we are the closest at that point whom they can challenge before they can learn
Right
from
out
us
loud.
outside. So they are testing the waters where it is easier for them to test.
Where they feel more secure.
Yeah.
कितना भी हुआ तो government are going to be there for me.
Yeah.
They want
So that
self-identity
is
also.
their
They want, yeah, absolutely. That's the first thing. The crux is they want to establish their own identity. Identity. Not authority, but identity.